4. Okay, these are like terms, so we can add them together. 5 plus, the like term is a here in this case. So we can write 5a plus 3a plus a is 5 plus 3 plus 1 is 9a. Now these are all the same, these terms here, because b and a is the same as a, b. You can swap the letters around, just you have to have the identical letters in the term for them to be like terms. They don't have to be in the same order, but they have to be identical. So we have 5 plus 7 is 12 minus 2 is 10, and we usually write them in alphabetical order. Now here we have different terms. AB is the same as AB, but AB is different to A, and AB is also different to B, which is also different to A. So we have 3 different terms here, 3 unlike terms here. We have AB, A and B. Now we can add or subtract the like terms, so 8AB take 3AB is 5AB. And generally we have the more complicated terms first, written down on the paper. Then we add the A from here, and then we add the B, the 5B from here. Now here we have 2 unlike terms. We have G and GH. We have 3 like terms, G, G and G. They're like. So we can work with those to start with. But let's write down the GH. 6GH. There, it's unlike and it's on its own. Now, next we're going to have 18G take 7G, which is 11G, take another G, which is 10G, positive 10G. So we can write add 10G. Now the last question 7, the last on this page, caught many students. They've got multiplication and addition mixed up. Now we can multiply these terms, so we multiply them together. And we have 20 r squared. 4 times 5, r times r. 2 factors of r using the index of 2. Then we add the like terms. Now we can't add r squared and r, they're unlike terms. But we can add 2r and 3r, they're like terms. So 2r plus 3r is positive 5r, or plus r, like that. Now here we do it according to BIMDAS, we do what's inside the brackets first. So 8t minus 5t is 3t times 2t, which is 6t. And I've just realised that I may have actually marked a whole lot of people incorrect, when in fact that's correct. So 8t minus 5t is 3t times 2t. Thank you. Got myself mixed up here. Glad to be making a mistake on the video. Right, let's start again. Let's do it in 2 steps. This is why it's important to do things in 2 steps so we don't get confused. Okay, so let's do the brackets first. So we end up with 3t, which is 8t minus 5t times 2t. Right, that's the first step. The second step, working underneath, is 3 times 2, which is 6t times t, which is 6t squared. I'm glad I made that mistake because it's important to work. I tried to work things through in 1 step and got muddled. So it's important when you can to do things in 2 steps. We'll keep working on that during the year, the 2 steps, doing things in 2 steps, because your teacher is in Year 9 will expect you to do things in